Hello there, guys and gals. Once again, here back with another video. Um, this is the US dollar Swiss franc pair. This is the daily time frame, and this is a pair that has a currently has a nice technical picture, very much aligned with the euro dollar pair. I just want to point out a few things and then and try to show you guys the trades I have in mind for this current pair. If you zoom out on the on this pair, if you zoom out on the daily chart, and if you pull a fib from the top of the range to all the way to the bottom of the range, you see that the fair value, or the 50% value, is sitting right around 92.68, 92.70, thereabouts, and currently price is above this level. One other interesting thing about this is the current, or the 92.05 level, which I had the courtesy to draw it in advance. It is a very important support resistance level, as you probably can see, but let me just show you the line chart so you can have a better idea how important this level is. So price, it touched it here, and then once again went up and down, and it just held, and it finally broke, and then rechecked, it became resistance. And we had all this time spent above it, and also the fair value, and then price stayed this much time below it and below the fair value as well, and then finally it broke again above the 92 level, and price is currently trading at the 93.94 level. Therefore, what I have in mind for this pair is the following. You see the red support and resistance, the very important, which I consider very important support and resistance level. As you can see, you can probably observe is this consolidation prior to this thrust. Yeah, this is an elephant footprint. You see how price left this level very aggressively. You see this bullish bar here, and therefore this is, as I told you, this is a very, very important level in my opinion. And so the idea is to have some kind of measurement, and I'll try and do. I'm gonna take this current top here, which is the current top at the moment, and should be trading or taking a trade right around the 91.90 level, or someplace here, which is also below the current fair value level. We're in a bullish market still. There's nothing at the moment that says or tells us that the US dollar is gonna lose a lot of value. We can have a pullback, we can have a retracement, but we're still very bullish with the US dollar. So my trade idea for this pair sits right here. So as you can see, this level right here, somewhere between the 91-90 level would be a nice place to take a trade. And yeah, so this is the current idea I have for this pair. I think it has a very, very nice technical picture at the current moment. Yeah, and all in all, I think it's gonna be a nice opportunity to try and make some money. So yeah, this is what I think would be a nice trade, at least from my point of view at the current moment. Next we're gonna move to the Aussie dollar, Australian dollar, the US dollar pair. This is the weekly chart. I'm gonna try to illustrate where price reached today, as I had anticipated. This red line down here is where I thought price was gonna stop dropping at the current moment. People might get confused with this as being a reflection pattern, but I would say otherwise, because even though we reached the 79 retracement level today, but the pattern itself is not what I would call a reflection pattern. You see how we made a low here, then we made a higher high here, which broke this high here, and then we make a lower low, but we did not make a higher high, violating this top right over here. So therefore we have this current, we have a low, we have a high, which was here, a high, we have a higher high, we have a lower low, then we have a lower high. See, so we have a high, then we have a low, then we have a higher high, then we have a lower low, then a lower high. For this to have been a reflection pattern, I would love to have seen it go, or excuse me, this had to be a higher high, opposing to this higher high here. So so market structure would be bullish, and had we violated this higher high. At the current moment, the market is still bearish. We did not violate this higher high. We have a lower low in place, which broke the previous low, and we refused to make a higher high. So obviously we could see some kind of retracement. That's what I think is going to happen. But yeah, this is not a reflection pattern, in my opinion. So people do not get confused thinking that you're going to be doing all the buying in this world, and it's going to skyrocket. It's not my current opinion. But the Aussie dollar has a very, very interesting current technical picture. And if you guys remember the trade I took all the way from the top here to the bottom, we're talking about somewhat in the vicinity of 450 pip drop all through. So yeah, it was a pretty aggressive drop with very few pullbacks where I re-entered with higher leverage. So yeah, it was a nice ride down the Aussie dollar pair. Um, Currently, I'm looking at this retracement level right here. Excuse me, this consolidation right here, this small consolidation right here, and yeah, I think we're gonna see some weakening in the dollar for the probably the you know the next few weeks, but all in all, um, there could be a nice opportunity to short the Aussie again right at this consolidation right here. There is a nice support resistance level, right residing at the 89.95 or 90 level round number, which could constitute a nice level to sell once again. As you can see, let me take this fib out. As you can see, price left convincingly from this level. So yeah, once again, I think we're gonna have a nice drop. We could have, some, another nice drop, um, especially because, as I have shown you guys, longer term market structure is still very bearish. Um, um, Let me zoom out the daily time frame. Currently, we are below the fair value level, which is delineated by this dashed blue line. As you can see, price stayed sometime below it, then it stayed sometime above it, then again sometime below it, then once again sometime above it. It even served as some support for it, and finally we're down here. So I mean, we could see price going up a little here and then dropping and just staying in the zone for some time. But all in all, I expect it to go down and keep going down. I do expect more dollar bullishness. Timing is just probably the hardest to figure it out, but yeah, I still have some mindfulness about some shorts I want to take this pair. So yeah, so these are two ideas that I have. Japanese yen to see this consolidation right here. Let me try to delineate it even better. This is the consolidation I'm talking about. See how price left this level convincingly after it stayed here for a while. So what I think, once again, like both of the previous pairs, I think the US dollar is gonna give us a breather, but we're still gonna find some opportunities to buy it in some pairs. This is another level, another interesting level right here. So yeah, I think the US dollar is going to be dropping, for some time. But if you look at the USDX itself, there are some levels there too, where you can see price going up convincingly. Some consolidations that are below the current prices, and that indeed occurs, you know, I'll most likely take a few longs in favor of the US dollar. So yeah, so this is what I had to share with you guys. I'm keeping an eye on the markets, just staying a little quiet at the moment, just waiting for you know, the moves to happen. And yeah, yeah, so this is it for today. I'll keep you guys posted. Talk to you guys soon. Later. Bye bye.